So my friend asked me to make a video about what is investing. And I've been hesitating because it's not just one easy straight answer. It's complex. So this video will be the first of a series of videos that I'll be using to not only explain what is investing, but each intricate part of the investing process. If you're new here, my name is Michael. I make videos about money to help millennials develop their money-making skill sets. And if you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to the channel for future content. And I also want you to click on the bell notification so that way you know when I make a video. Investment at its core is very simple. You have your money, you put your money into something. That can be stocks, bonds, real estate, a business. That then will give you a return on your investment. In the example I want to use, we're going to use stocks. You put some money in the stock market, you give it some time, and then it's going to give you a dividend. That is your return on your investment. In the example I gave, we received a dividend. That's a positive return on investment. But that's not always the case. Anytime you put your money into the marketplace, you always have the potential to lose money. And that's what I want to cover next week, because we now have a working knowledge of what is investing. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to the channel for future content. I want you to click on the bell notification so that way you know when I make a video. And I want you to share this with a family or friend, because next week I'll be talking about risk.